Good morning everyone. Now it's your maths class. Yesterday we have completed number names till 80. Now we are going to do further number names till 100. What we are going to do? Number names 81 to 100. This work you will do in your fair notebooks. What you have to do? You have to do that work in your fair notebooks. So how we can write? Firstly, write down date and on the another side day and then the heading. Heading means what we are doing now. First one, 15th April 2021. What is day today? 15th April 2021 and day is Thursday. Day is Thursday. Spelling of Thursday is THURSDAY, Thursday. Now on the you have to leave one line after that. You have to leave one line. Then start writing on the next line. On the middle of the next line. What you have to do? You have to write down on the middle of the next line. Number names. What you have to do? Number names. NUMBER, number, NAMES, number names. 81 to 100. What you are going to do? 81 to 100 number names. Today we have to finish all the number names. What you have to do? We have to finish all the number names. Now first one is, you have seen two lines in your notebook. Two lines, two pink lines. On the one side of that one side of the notebook, on the pink line. Two pink line have you seen in your notebooks? On the one side you will give numbering to them. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. In this way you will write down. And on the another side, on the one box you will write down 8. On the another box you will write down 1. And on the next box, it means it will come in 3 boxes. One box 8. Next box 1. On the next box dash. You have to put that dash over there and start writing on the next box 81. On the 81 you will write down number name on the next box. How you can write? On the one box you will write down 8, on the another box you will write down 1, and on the next third one box dash and then number name. How we are going now? We are going to start number names. First one is 8181. 8181. EIGHTY 80 ONE1 81. Next one is 8282. 8282. How it is written? EIGHTY 80 TWO2 82. Next one is 8383. 8383. How it is written? EIGHTY 80 EIGHTY 80 THREE 83. Next one is 8484. 8484. It is written as EIGHTY 80 FOUR 84. 84. Next one, give numbering. It means it is fifth one. 8585. 8585. It is written as EIGHTY 80 FIVE 85. Next one is 8686. 8686. EIGHTY 80 SIX 86. 8787. 8787. EIGHTY 80 SEVEN 7. 87. 87. 8888. 8888. It is written as EIGHTY 80 EIGHT 8 88. 88. Next one is 8989. 8989. EIGHTY 80 NINE 9. 89. Next one is on the 10th number 9090. 9090. NINETY. I know very well so many students do mistake in writing 90. So you have to write down carefully and in a beautiful handwriting. What you have to do? You have to write down spelling of 90 carefully and properly and in a beautiful handwriting. What you have to do? सुंदर सुंदर लिखना है. NINETY 90. Next one is 91. 91 91. NINETY 90. ONE 91. If your number names are not coming on one page, like me, I have written till 91 on one page and further I will write down on the next page. So same thing you have to do. If your number names are not coming on one page, you have to write down on the next page. What you have to do? You have to write down on the next page. And if they are not coming on the next page, you have to write down on the third page. What you have to do? You have to write down on the third page. Now go to next page. 9 to 92. 9 to 92. NINETY 90. TWO 92. 93 93. 93 93. NINETY 90. THREE 93. 94 94. 94 94. NINETY 90. FOUR 94. 95 95. 95 95. NINETY 90. FIVE 95. 96 96. 96 96. NINETY 90. SIX 96. Next one is on the 17th number you will give and start writing. On the one box 9, on the next box 97, put dash on the next box and start writing number name 97. 97 97. 97 97. NINETY 90. SEVEN 7 97. 98 98. 98 98. NINETY 90. EIGHT 8 98 98. 99 it means double nine. 9 9. NINETY 90. NINE 99 99. Last but not the least, 100. 100. It means it is 100. It is 100. It is written as ONE1. ONE1. HUNDRED 100. 100. It is the last one. We have completed number names 1 to 100. We have to do number names 1 to 100. What I have written, I have given that work to you. You have to do that work in your fair notebook, and whatever I have given in your homework, you have to do that work in your practice notebook. It means you will do that work in 3-in-1 practice notebook. Again, we are revising it again, and you have to learn it properly. Number names 81 to 100. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. Next one 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and last one is 100. Last one is 100. So you have to learn number names properly and do that work in your fair notebook. What you have to do? You have to do that work in your fair notebook. So maths class is over now, and you have to learn each and everything whatever I am giving to you. Understood everyone? Now bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye everyone.